this? I think that started out as a Chevy Suburban or something. Well, he's not afraid to run it if you guys get loud. All right, there he goes, halfway through the course. Let's cheer him on. Hey, you're close. The clock's still going. You can get out and run. You can still finish the course. Are you feeling